class. We're going to see some programs. And then about class and objects. The first we are going to prove. Define a class in a Java with the following description: data members, name, customer, customed units, rate function members. And then we are going to type for these questions. Okay. First we are going to see first is the code for first question. And input Java, and then we're giving class employee in custom units, and then string name for getting one input, float rates, and then void get info. Scan in is equal to new scan system dot in. System dot out dot print. Enter the units. Just enter the units. When we enter the unit, it will show the output. Custom unit in dot next int system dot out dot print. Enter the customer name. When we enter the customer name, it will proceed the output. Name is equal to dot in dot next. Void create if customer underscore units is equal to greater than is equal to 200. And then we are just giving up to 500. Rate is equal to float. It's a formula units. The for customer units into 3.5. System output dot print in rate is plus rate. Else, if the condition is true, it will print like this. If the condition is false, it will go for another statement. Else, if custom units greater than lesser than 100, and then a rate is equal to float custom unit into 1.50. System out dot print iln rate is plus rate. Void show info system dot output dot customer name plus name. And then system output unit is used by the customer is plus, and then we are just adding the customer custom unit. Public class main, and then public starts void main string, and the employee, then employee job, and then object is equal to new employee, and then object get info, show info. We are going to just going to see the output for this question. Enter the unit, just giving one customer name, Naveen, 31.5. This is the output for this question. Just we are going to see the second. Create a class called time that does separated in member data for hour, minute, and second in Java. One constructor should initialize this data to 0, and the another should initialize it to fixed value. Another member the function should display it in 11:59.59 second format. The final member for function should add two objects of type time passed as agreement. A main program should create two initialized time object, and then one that isn't initialized. Invoke the respective function and then display the result. We are going to see the output for this question. The code for this question: input Java dot util dot scanner class time, and in the hours, minutes, and then we're just giving seconds. Then scanner dot sc is equal to new scanner system dot at time bracket, and then we are giving hours is equal to 0, minutes is equal to 0, and seconds is equal to 0. Time int dot a and b, we are just getting three inputs. We are just giving a b c. Void display, and then we are giving plus hours plus minutes and plus seconds. Time at underscore time object 2, hours is equal to hours plus object 2 dot hours, and then we are giving for minutes is equal to minutes object 2 dot minutes, seconds is equal to seconds object 2 dot seconds, while seconds 59, and then seconds is equal to 60, minutes plus plus. It will continuously rotate the process, while minutes 50 lesser than 59, minutes minus is equal to minus 60, and then hours plus plus. Return this. It's a public scale main function, and then public status word main strings, and then we are just giving system dot print in t URK19 CS 1170. Time object is equal to no time, and then object we are just giving the value, and then object display object to display time is time add object add underscore time object 2 system output print total value, and then we are just going to see the output. This is the output for this question. Total time is equal to 42, 34, and 9. We are going to see then second question, third question. Sorry, write a menu-driven application to perform the banking operation using Java. Your application must contain the following functionality in the class bank. Going to see for code for this question. Input Java until, and then class bank private string account holder name, and then private input deposit amount, and then we are just giving private int account balance, account withdrawal, and then public string get account holder name. When we give like this, it will get the input as account holder name, and then return account holder name, public void set account holder name in string format, and then account holder name is equal to account holder name, and then we are just giving account balance, and then we are get set we are just getting a set account balance, then account balance is equal to account balance, and then public get deposit amount, return deposit amount, while set deposit amount, deposit amount is equal to deposit amount, and then public in class with get account withdrawal, and then we are just setting a withdrawal, the bank public bank, this account name null, the account withdrawal null 0, and then account balance 0, this deposit amount 0, public void balance, system dot out dot print ln account holder name, this account holder name, the balance is the amount that we are just printing like this, public void withdrawal, this account balance, this account withdrawal, then we are amount is the amount is withdrawal, the balance is this account, and then a public class main, the main function, and then main statics void main string, and then bank customer number new bank, system out dot print ILN welcome to State Bank, and then account creation, and then inquiring balance deposit withdrawal and exist, and then scan is go to new scan system dot int choice s dot next int switch choice case 1, the system output print account creation in enter the account holder name, and then we are getting in string format the customer 1 set account holder name, and and then we are just getting an input. We are giving int id as next int. If id greater than is equal to 500, customer name set up a deposit amount of id, and then customer set account balance, customer one deposit amount, else the system output print initial must be minimum of 500. It will print like this. Break, we are just breaking, and then with the case 2 customer balance, and then case 3 is enter the deposit amount. Int if is equal to s dot next int the customer set deposit amount, the customer dot one dot deposit break, and then class 4 is if customer one is account get account balance greater than lesser than 500, system output print ln enter the withdrawal amount. In the withdrawal amount, withdrawal is equal to S dot new int customer one set account withdrawal with we are just giving, and then customer one withdrawal, else the print insufficient balance to the withdrawal the amount. We are just breaking default rule is to false, so close break. See the output. We are just going to deposit one amount and just giving 3, and then my deposit amount is 10,000, 10 lakh, or 1 lakh. So balance is 1 lakh. I have deposited. Thank you.